Buenos dias, señores y señores. Este is El Niño, okay? El Niño is little boy or the boy, okay? So we start off with our liquor in the bottom, come behind with some peach schnapps. I say liquor because I wasn't reading the screen. Pour in some pineapple juice, beautiful. Come behind it with some orange juice, nice. Why is this called El Nino? I can't figure that one out. Blue curacao, look at the color on that bad boy, okay? Shake, 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 okay? Ice in our glass, and then we strain our delicious liquid in. Look at the green on that. I guess it's perfect for St. Patrick's Day or anything. Well, I don't know. Whatever you want to use it for. Top with some soda water. Stick a pineapple slice on the side. Put a cherry on top. Oh my God, the garnishes on this are sexy as hell. And there you have it. El Nino. It should have tequila if it's El Nino though. What kind of name? I don't name these. I'm just rolling with it. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.